Fellow Ambazonians, fellow people of the Southern Cameroons, welcome to the No Conny Talk Show. This one an advocative platform where they advocate for the Ambazonians' independence and freedom from La République du Cameroon. Una welcome everybody for Ground Zero, Ambazonians at home and abroad. This one na me, Capo Daniel, una host. I will take una today inside an in-depth of a second episode of the leaked audios from La République du Cameroon conspiracy with the French, Swiss, the Canadians to undermine the aspiration of our people who are fighting for their independence. Once more, you are all welcome. As our tradition they always be, we will start with music for welcome everybody and for make una understand so we broadcast both for Facebook, YouTube, and for our national television when at the Ambazonian Communication Network, the ACN. The frequency that they already be transmitted for Ambazonia and all over the world. So if you watch we through those channels them live as I speak. This program will also be rebroadcast back for Ground Zero. So I want to take time for welcome all now. And the Facebook page it be interactive. So if you watch me for Ground Zero, maybe you understand say for this very moment while they do this program, and they also see for Facebook Live how Ambazonia they comment and they express themselves, and I will also take note for them. I will salute them. They call some them for their name. If I know if you call now, when they see me now, when I get my WhatsApp number for Ground Zero, when if you directly contact me, I've been the Deputy Defense Chief for the Savannah State, as well as there is a consideration being made to actually make me the whole Deputy Defense Chief for both the Savannah and the Atlantic State. Once more, una all welcome. I will take this time for salute all man where they participate for the Facebook page live, where it be more interactive, and also for engage una for una bedroom, for una parlor, for beer parlor, and wherever una to watch me across the world as Ambazonians, Pan-Africanists, and every other audience where they watch me. I want for salute una. So we'll welcome all man now. I get a particular song. This one will be in particularly to the listening and dancing pleasure of our people then for inside the Ekome, small Ekome, and for big Ekome. I want for salute una all. We're gonna enjoy this music. We're now one of our commander then for the dance center for me. Oops, why is this thing not playing? Let me check. I'll have to double check my Bluetooth connection. Okay. Let me turn it off. So for the meantime, okay, there we go. Yeah, welcome everybody. I see Joe Brown be live online. I salute Joe Brown. And I see our Mama Ate. I salute you, our big mommy for inside America, woman of virtues. I salute her. I see Olandra also the online. Brenda, Boris, all Monday online today for Facebook. Wanna welcome for this platform. Get a lot to give today for now. My sister with my mom if you call me. Hallelujah. Yeah, mom, are they live online? Ma finish my show, I'll call you back. Okay. So all man be welcome. I see Olivia is online as well. Don Asaha is online watching me live. I welcome you all. I want to salute the people then for the great Republic of China, People's Republic of China. the group and Nick and the Amazonian mission head Primus, who is the president there. I want to salute the Amazonians. Olivia, you're using my picture. I want to salute the Amazonian in Nigeria as well, and our IDPs, our refugees, our prisoners of war. I want to greet you all. Nemo Brownie is also online. I salute you, and everybody is welcome. So today we'll get a bumpy ride, and we'll get a straight shot into our leak audios. We don't get a lot of feedback from the leak audios, so we don't get big international feedback. I can see Brisia, sweetheart. I salute all man and welcome. Florence Wickens is there. Welcome, my dear. Our people in the great city of Bamenda, Kumba, Tiku, Mutengene, I salute all. I welcome all our people there for inside a cock. I welcome I salute our people there from Ndop, Lunga Mantum, Bui, Mamfe, Moyoka, all those areas, them Bakasi, I salute I welcome and our PS, I salute you. I think we'll get a big presentation coming up after the show from our press secretary of the governing council, my own brother, Mr. Lucas Asu. And I got cafe for General Epang, General Ebube, General Hassan, General Captain Small Pikin, General Deco. And I want to salute all the generals and the various generals, the one of you call the name, the general, the way people they don't know him. I want to salute General Sumanguru, Grandpapa for Insa Momo. I also want to salute our commander and our general overall commander for Insa Menchum, General Tok and Do, and all the patriotic Ambazonian them with the day for Ground Zero. They put their life on the line for fight for the dignity and freedom of their people, where they then be under this captivity with La République du Cameroon for close to 56 years. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the No Connie Talk Show. This one is a show where we talk the truth and nothing but the truth. We believe the importance of the truth in our liberation struggle, and we hold that mantle for always speak the truth for the Ambazonian people. And me, as a civil liberty activist, I believe in public knowledge. I believe the Ambazonian people need to be informed by their leaders and the various organizations, the way they represent their interests, about the various measures the way they take and to make sure say media independent come. Because as our people they bear this bronze for this war for our liberation, they close their shop them every Monday for observe the Independent Day goes down. They hold their picking the media no attend La République du Cameroon, their government school the way it be almost free, and they pay enormous price so that they can get their freedom. They deserve to know, the right to know. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the No Connie Talk Show. We are going to start with our intro as usual. I am the technical team as well, as we are all citizen volunteer during this era of our liberation, and we are all doing this struggle for our country on a voluntary basis. We don't have any salary, we don't have any incentive, financial incentive. It is purely on a voluntary and a patriotic spirit where we stand for do this thing, we do that. So make we get the intro into the No Connie Talk Show. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians them for home and abroad, I want to salute una come good. All money place a day, shake, no day, no retreat, day, no surrender. A luta continue. Una welcome to the No Connie Talk Show. Today for this episode, we're going to bring una once more the leak audios them where they show La République du Cameroon they don't conspire with their international partners them for deceive Ambazonians, their leaders them with bribery and corruption, for take them inside a negotiation process where be fair and go be balanced and go help the Ambazonia them for advance their cause or forget the fair shot for represent their interest on the negotiation table. And we don't see say the negotiation the leak audio will then release them. It then leads to the Canadian embassy, the Canadian ambassador for inside la République du Cameroon, the name na Bell, Mr. Bell. He then come out with a statement due to that exposure. Or them expose them. He then give some very strong statement. Then we then confirm, say the Canadian their sponsorship for that Swiss initiative. It will be enough for save la République. It not be get anything to be a neutral partner to find a durable solution for the root causes we go address the injustice to our sovereignty and our people their right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we want to tell now, as we always talk, the revolution shall not be televised. As we don't talk, we don't give the biggest, the most significant leak information we don't come about as our investigative job inside La République du Cameroon, their operation for bribe the leaders of our struggle. We don't articulate the one Ambazonian them for this possibility for a long time. And finally, we don't release the leak audios. We don't hear for our own self how the people them for La République they want try for bribe me, and indication too for thing where they don't already do one with other activists and leaders them during some session them for those leak audios them they actually mention the various way the way La République they bribe our people them, and the various activists them and leaders the way they don't bribe them. But for strategic reason, around withhold the names for those individuals them, because we believe say they still be read. There is still a chance that we can redeem some of them, and for the interest of our ultimate interest of our people, we then decide to withhold those names. But we still have that right to come back and release those names. And we want to assure when I say this is not politics, this is not propaganda. It is pure based on investigative job, very clean and clear, without any opinions of mine within it. So I want to salute all man again as we go to take this show. We'll go start first with our comedy section, and then we'll go straight into our program where it'll be very rich today for Gian for Una about what really happened for Ambazonia. As you know, La République na a comedy country, na country we need ever lack material for Gian for comedy, na country where you no get chop, na country where they no get money even for make their road them, they one can colonize we, na which kind balog this way front and then put we for inside. La République du Cameroon, a comedy country, one of the worst, most corrupt country in Africa, a shame of Africa, where they get one of the oldest dictator the way they stay for presidency. So if he say presidency, then become my own profession. I say for POBI ID card, the right profession, the right president. For a profession for them put a president. What a ridiculous country. It's unfortunate that a people like the people of Ambazonia, the Wakanda of Africa, the so-called lost treasure of Africa, the first democratic country in Africa in black history, have been handed over to a decaying system of the France-Afrique system of La République du Cameroon to colonize us. This experiment is just wrong on every level. La République will never stop to give us material for comedy during this comedy section. So today in the comedy section, we don't see say the Lions Indomptables of La République du Cameroon. I'm not sorry, I get difficulties to give those images them. They don't go play football. Once again, they don't cash their aeroplane where they carry them because they no be done pay petrol. That means the petrol for aeroplane. La République, they no pay fuel for their aeroplane. They cash them for Malabo or na for Malabo. They hold their plane for days, so them beg. They nobody even pay their bill. Let alone people where they pay bill for hotel. So this type of people, them they don't get no hope. There is no possibility for anybody for waited. This kind of people, them if you come say they want to rebuild our country. No way, we'll not go fall for that. They trick them. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for the comedy section. Also, for the section for when I know the new segment, what I'm bringing for this show. When I waiting the happen, Papa poster waiting the happen. Poster I mean na say na person where it check wait the people that they think I'm for Ground Zero, wait the people that they think I'm for social media about the Ambazonian struggle. So now waiting in the happen. Sometime wait the way people that they expect them, no be exactly wait the way they need them. So we get for our Papa poster, they ask them for the Ambazonian people, they say now when they happen, Papa waiting they happen, it talk say people that they worry about some audio way they don't send them for Nambenfe on one of these our account our places them for inside Ambazonia where they lie against say ADF don't come can attack people them. But waiting they happen, it don't do a small polling for inside our platform, the WhatsApp group na Kuntakinte 360. So either interview few people them, then talk say na the thing that way people that they worry for ground zero. And then he also talks say the people them for inside Kumba, they also ask them say, now wait till it happen, they nobody hear any noise. Now how the struggle it go. Now how the struggle it go. So for the first, we'll start with the second one. For the people there, they live for ground zero, they ask and say, now wait till it happen. Now because say most of those they are popularist activists them way, they be the expected that they can make noise every day. They be feel say this revolution now a walk in the park. Most of them they don't be compromised, they don't shidong them quiet, they need to see can't give information them again and people that they be confused. So now it be a wrong thing for people that they rely on such characters the way they only beat now on popularism. They need to do research, they not be well grounded for represent the interests of our country. And they bring confusion because some people they feel say they need to get a lot of noise for sure say the revolution it go well. Our people them always where they need and for hold the 4 pillars of our revolution. Number 1, now the Independent Day goes down. Every Monday, make all money close his shop, all money pack his motor, all man shidong for house, for observe a Independent Day goes down for protest, for send a message to La Republique, the African Union, the United Nation Organization, say the people of the former Trust Territory, British Trust Territory, we are fed up with this experiment. We want our home, we want our independence, we want our sovereignty back. And number 2, na say me then deny political participation. Say me they achieve them. Me the so-called La Republique senators and parliamentarians, me they no go back for La Republique, say they want to represent we. May we deny political participation like our forefathers they be doing for Enugu. Time we will be there for Nigeria for 41 years. So that we go fit come back for our country. Number 3 pillar na weti. Na the boycott of La République du Cameroon, their institutions, and for bring them down. Every colonial institutions, every colonial office will need for bring them down, for deny La République any legitimacy and any right for illegally govern our territory or administer our territory, and for drive away any man where there are nominated say me represent the administration for our territory. Number 4 pillar will be very important. Now the boycott of La République du Cameroon produce goods, economic sanction, and for stop all the exploitation of our cash crop and all the plantation crops the way they take them go sell them for make money, because without these things La République it will leave our country. So ladies and gentlemen, now the news that way they come out for Papa poster. Papa waiting the happen. I thank you for the take your time to do us this job, and I appreciate you. You will remain anonymous, but now our nice pa, very nice Papa way a day inside struggle, strong. So ladies and gentlemen, we will come back for our normal presentation for today before we go for the leaks. We would want to talk for the Ambazonian people, say una Ambazonian FBI with our partners the way they help me for inside my office as a deputy defense chief, with my collaboration with our frontline communicator, the press secretary of the governing council, Mr. Lucas Asu, would then do a wonderful job. Would then finally do the investigation. It then take us over 3 months for go inside La République undercover for find out how they bribe our activists then for get evidence, and the release of that audio then directly we believe cause the Canadian consulate for react and for come out for try for protect this scam where they want try for deceive Ambazonia where they call and say Swiss deal. Now we will get physical evidence from the person where it work right for La République du Cameroon, their presidency, the Mr. Bellinga. Mr. Bellinga, I'll put up a picture. it looked like I didn't get everything set up here. The governing council, they need to buy me. Now, Mr. Pobia, a man, in a right-hand man. This is him behind Mr. Pobia, Mr. Bellinga. Wheels, we don't go for Insta, Facebook, we don't go for Google, we don't go for Link. La République they don't wipe out all his history, delete his Facebook page, delete his organization information for their, because they get a website, they don't delete everything about it, they don't try for cover up, which will not expose them. And it be very, very powerful. Now, one of the biggest revolution, this, like we talk, the revolution shall not be televised. They don't try to hide them. This same individual, he brought down this Bolinga Eboto, where he be work for Mr. Pobia, like he main person. Now, they don't open his own organization. He do the same job with the Swiss counterpart. They do the HD, they do now the same thing they do now they represent the Cameroon government. Now he be meet up Sako and all these people. They meet and travel from South Africa to Europe, UK to America for bribe people them, give them money so that make them betray Ambazonia. No be say they want bribe them for facilitate negotiation. They bribe them and say me then sell out Ambazonia for La Republic du Cameroon. A lot of people they don't contact me for ask me say, Capo Daniel, why they no be give you that money? Why you no be receive that money for go buy guns and they for ground zero? And I be of the opinion we not the same opinion with the governing council, Ibide, and my advisors and my very good friend Mr. Lucas Asu will be talking say we no fit go touch dirty money, we no fit go touch blood money, because that is not who we are. Me, Capo Daniel, I am of the generation where they be teach you for school. Say you must be prompt, you must come school in time, you must be disciplined. Even when you pick money, you must return them back for the owner. Inside the place where I grow there for inside Bamenda, we will get lost and found services where it be work hand in hand with the local police and it be work hand in hand with the radio station. Even you be pick na money poster for Bamenda, you be need to carry and go get them back. They will go announce for lost and found, and the people that go receive them will be na men, upright men who need to restore uprightness and righteousness inside our country. This one na emancipation time for our people them, and we need to set the good example. For people the way they feel say if we go take the money, it just did the same. Let's say you go advise some man, say make a woman, me leave a woman, me go sleep with the enemy, so that you want take money, me you take and feed your picking them. God forbid. You go prefer no say me una die poor or me gonna manage a small jama or una get them. Some people then talk say that money if we try to take the money for see how if we do for help the struggle day. We talk say we want to remind people then say na a very, very bad thing. We need to be pure. Once you touch dirty money, they go to control you. Because we know say for the way they pay that money, they give part of the money for your family for ground zero, where they guarantee, say you go provide them the service where you go want to do them, and they go to control you like remote control. So from those things, they may now give us a lot of good information about the modus operandi of La République du Cameroon and their strategy for fight against Ambazonian freedom. So be very, very happy with those informations we would get them. We also want to talk for our people and say, you see people that like Ni John Fundi, they see how they be the born motor the way they transport coffee for inside Bamenda, they crisis, they will take that motor, go sell and keep the money. No, this is a different generation. We need to be upright. We need to be upright. We need to deny corruption. We need to make sure say make this struggle in no can end now because they then pay some money. Me it can end now because of justice. Justice. That is what we stand for. We stand for nothing but justice. So when I remember also say the whole issue concerning this corruption, it be very deep. I get information. Say my level so that we'll do fast. We'll get a lot of things. That audio will release them today is very long. So but we'll release the audio. We'll go hear for ourselves. Wait till it happen. So we don't also for inside Europe. We don't hear say Ambazonian refugee them where they run war for go for inside bear. We also over talk about the asylum seeker the way they for inside Cyprus. Today we get very bad news where they come say they don't catch some of those refugees them where they don't go sell drug for inside Cyprus they and they don't fall victim. 7 of them would try for see how if we do help them for get help, legal aid, and for make sure say they go be justice, they go be go through the justice, they go understand the system. And we want to take the opportunity for one all Ambazonia the way they don't come up for our homeland. Most of them don't understand how the war will be very naive because we don't live in a very cultural and a very conservative society. Most asylum seekers they always been a prey for gangs and for exploit them, for use them for sell drug because they don't get right for work. Most of them don't get money. So make no man fall for this type of thing. Any Ambazonia where you don't run war, do not involve with gangs. Do not try to sell drugs. It can cost you your life. These 7 people, the way they don't catch you, these 16 kilograms of cocaine or whatever drug it be for inside Cyprus, they fit send them over 18 years in prison. When I know say for inside Ambazonia, those type of things they know to be very common for go for jail. So people they need to take this type of crime very seriously. But when you come out of that country, you need to take them seriously. We know say for La Republic control of Ambazonia, if you go pay bribe, they will release you. But if they catch you with the said drug for white man country, your life is almost done. You go to prison for more than 10 years. So they take this opportunity for educate our asylum seekers them, where they don't come out of our country, especially those who they don't come out for the first time. Me they not fall into any crime. Me they just manage their life the way they. Me they not be pressure for make money for support the struggle or for send them back home. Me they manage the small way get them. It be better for manage your life than for go fall for this kind of wahala. So we then also talk also about, we want to bring the issue concerning the happy slave, as some people they talk the greatest danger for freedom it come now for a happy slaves. So we then listen for Josh Ewane. Josh Ewane, now one of the people then this will be the field saying that the so-called elites them for us the so-called Anglophones. We then listen for the Cameroon calling, as they call that program. It then be a disgrace. In that Cameroon calling, Josh Ewane it call on the Cameroon government for crack down on press freedom and for stop journalism. They need to talk about the war for our liberation. What a sad thing to say. Sometimes one go think what are this one, then they come on about 3-4 for ground or then give villages. Because we see how La Republic in the Bonbon villages them. Over 200 villages them will not say their own village and they go there inside. Now which can balog this? It make a make think the type of people they would consider them like elite. The so-called elite class where they for inside La Republic, they work, they chop money, they don't really care about the suffering of their own people them. They be silence. Now which kind man go shit down for the way they burn your village? You be so lack of sympathy. It talks at me then try make normalcy come. Peace. How can you call for peace without calling for justice? Even Pope John Paul II it be talk. Say na hypocrites fit talk for call peace. Use the word peace for your mouth without first of all using the word justice. Anybody who expect the least of these happy slaves to at least seek for justice for their own king's men who have been slaughtered by a terrorist regime that have occupied their homeland and is denying them the right of their history, a right of their identity. We then also see with dismay the happy slave, the lapdog, where they call him na John Gote, where Mr. Pobia ran koi put for them became back money. It call Pobia Papa, who be think say John Gote na a gentleman, where he know better, but he get no dignity. For bring down himself like a diplomat, for call Mr. Pobia Papa, na a disgrace to us Ambazonian. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to take una also for instance Bamenda, our general for Bamenda, the Bamenda brigade that already get back into action. Una see the result them. And I want to talk for the people there for Mulang, where they be the complain, say our soldier then come for corner Mulang, they begin to shoot gun for up because say they be one for scare La Republic. Our people there for they talk say now which kind why our boy they waste bullet them will be already appreciate the fact that they feel entitled for our soldier them and they see them like their champions them for fight for their freedoms them. I want to talk for una so we transmit that information for the general there for Bamenda. And all they don't get the information, they don't pass on for the soldier. They mean no man no begin waste bullet. And this one they show say all we did together, na very very good thing. And the people that for La Republic then begin work a share paper them for store them. They use their informer them for try to sabotage the Bamenda brigade. So now one of the video this for the flyers and where were general they were troops and for Isa Bamenda they don't see them and they don't want to inform the general public. So I go play the video. Make gonna see the fake flyer where La Republic dancing for inside Bamenda, the toxin na Ambazonian forces them na ADF dancing na one of them.
Yes, wa mami our papa them for Ground Zero, and everybody we don't pass across this letter. We don't know who don't send this letter for our side. But we want just make this short video and for showing her say any man with the letter don't enter his hand. We even try for follow anything we there for inside this place. The man go there for trouble. Because no be we the freedom fighter for Ground Zero, no be we send this letter for our side. We talk particularly for people where they dey for Bamenda where they don't receive this letter, especially from Tareko Market. We don't know about this letter. So any man will try for follow instruction, wey dey for the letter e dey do and I on risk. So we just want beg my media and pardon say any man wey don't see the letter or any man wey see any man wey dey share the letter for outside, me una catch am. I believe say una know how we fit do get the freedom fighter them, may they take the people them, because this one na La Republic dey try for send those boy them for outside. So if una see any place where they share the letter, una catch that boy them, una call military, una call Amber, me Amber can take am, or you just go for back, shift for back, make a call. Me Amber they can't take them, because now then they bring confusion for destroy the revolution.
So I hope so that message it can be transmitted for our people the way they do watch with for Ambazonian Communication Network, and we will also make accept them for share them for inside WhatsApp. So we don't also get we'll get for the audio the way they come from some people from menu where they make alarm say ADF that attack some group for day again. We will play those audio make una hear. And we don't talk, we'll be very happy, we don't be quiet for this time, but before I get for that good news, maybe we'll talk about which way that happened for inside Akum, for inside Mr. Paul, the from 3 school dropout, Paul Atanganji village. La Republique de Rankambo, Paul Atanganji village, killed 2 innocent civilians every day in cold blood. For nothing. For nothing. And this guy is going around parading, talking about La Republique and all this, their nonsense. Shameless people. The blood of all those children will haunt them and they will not give them peace. I also want to bring for the attention of all the so-called restoration forces. We don't tell say that name say restoration, na name will not make sense. And man way you make mistake, you must be very open for do the right thing. Restoration means say you go back for 10 way day. Southern Cameroon nobody ever exists like restoration, like a independent country. So the people where they fool na the username say Restoration Council, make una put them for back. Because we no fit go back for any place, we no fit go back for West Cameroon, we no fit go back for Federal Cameroon, we no fit go back as a province for inside Nigeria, let alone go back for inside the so-called trusteeship territory. We only fit go back now for independence. We only want na independence. We no fight now for restoration, because restoration na corny way for people the way they fight for federalism. Even though they go talk say restoring the statehood, yes, restore statehood. You can restore statehood in a federalism. So the so-called restoration forces them, I want give una some tips. I don't send these tips for many of them. We will try to send and to for WhatsApp, because we don't see many of the explosive them where they come up. Some of those ones they will down also proliferate them for make sure they make the technology be spread. We don't see the video them where they show how forces them for Instagram Zero they use explosive for bomb La Republique du Cameroon them. Now very good action in that, but we want give them some very important tips where they come directly from General Popo from the ADF. If you now look these videos, I mean, they always show how like, they bomb La Republique. They bomb La Republique. So after that bomb, usually the soldier they run. Would want to encourage them, say most of those bombs the way they use them, it not be capable for destroy those vehicles them completely. Because when they use those bombs, they need to come back and show their video they place. The few of them who don't interview them, the squad the way they don't use this bomb, who don't interview them, they don't always tell we say no, it not be destroyed. If we had the motor, so one day they had the passenger them, but it not be capable for completely destroy the vehicle. So would they advise all the so-called restoration forces, the ADF then get this information already. There is no use to use bombs like this. The best way to be effective with this bomb them now for block road, and then you put that bomb for corner that road. So that when La Republique they will come there, they will be forced to go down for their vehicle then. And then that time when I feel explode that bomb, it will get the maximum impact at that moment. And also every time when I shoot that bomb, when they get like 1 minute for ambush them before I run away. But in any case, action is good. Action is better than nothing. But we do advise Unana so that will be more effective for wipe out this La Republique du Cameroon them and for kick them out of our own territory. So now the advisor one game for our forces them. No need for you use that bomb, boom, and then you run. Even that La Republique they fear, they no fear AK then come for una. Even when I get na 1 AK, when I get good position, protect yourself very well, ambush them 100% before I run away. I may wanna be careful when I want to withdraw, because it be a very dangerous process. Now the time when they feel easily when they be vulnerable. So now information now one person for all them. We hope say it will be helpful if he help them one way or another. So we go and leave those issues. Then now we go for the audio. Then we will hear it come. It be in circulation. Ambazonian Defense Forces them would then carry out a massive operation for inside the Atlantic state. Due to that operation, we hear where some of these so-called the IG forces them they then begin send alarm like normally when they always hear anytime where ADF they do something good. Now the time where they make all those fake audio them. The recent audio where they come out, it happened now for instance on places where the ADF it don't go there for inside the Atlantic state. They don't launch a big attack for that place. They don't kick La République du Cameroun their post will be there for day. They run come out. We not get information about how many La République will then kill them. But the soldier they don't come back for base. They be receive very little resistance. After they attack La République du Cameroun, they overwhelm them, they run away because they not be able to get back up for that area. La République then release this audio, make a play. The so-called IG forces them, they release this fake audio. My play.
Nigeria, brother. Okay, yes, but that problem there. I get to climb there. I don't make arrangements for myself for reach for them. Nambeme. ADF don't they worry in Beme, don't they worry in Beme, they worry in Beme, damn Beme zone so. ADF they worry. I don't even call big number. I call 8 or tell me on a separate they walk off work, they go drive all my walk off. I say master big number, wait first. No be now you be landlord for Ambazonian way, now you get responsibility for follow all my work.
So this fake audio, if you not here for social media, make una do discard them. The soldier way send the audio in no first day for inside on the ground. Now soldier way if you don't run war long time go for inside ground one, it for backside. He name na Presido, they call na Presido, he contact a lot of people them. They be there for inside Beme, for inside Atlantic state. La République be there for they not be capable for kick out La République. The ADF then send their picking them, they can kick out La République, would then carry out a successful mission for inside Beme. Instead for them for begin to celebrate the ADF then can kick out the La République post way day for day, they instead they complain the same fake audio say the ADF then attack them again. Previously the ADF they always should done quiet when this type of things they happen, but I be proactive for inform una, and I hope say we will continue in this light for begin debunk these people them. You go talk this type of thing for our chief Benedict Kwa go just say this Kapudane, please just leave those people. But I think that is very, very important. Make we follow up for inform the general public. Say these audios are fake. These audios are just telling people lies. This guy Presido is in ground one. He has not been fighting for a long time. We know that he lacks weapons. They have deceived them, and that is not our fault. We have come there to fight La République. The ADF have not gone to Mbeme to attack any other forces. As a matter of fact, some of those forces that were there have joined our forces to go back and get training. And we are going to do them. We are going to release some of the videos of the soldiers who have come from Beme, from the operation that we took out La République from Beme. We are going to extend the mobilization of the population in that area so that they can live in an Ambazonian liberated area. So I will take una for day. But first, one take una for inside. Wait to wait it happen for I think I will for a change. Maybe we'll talk about the good news first for goodness sake. So for the good news, make a show na the videos them. So another video they be another upload them where they show the weapon the way we don't bring and for can supply Atlantic State. Good, very good news. The weapon that arrive for day. I think about 14 AK-47 them. They don't arrive for day with the bullets them. Maybe I for even show myself now for my phone. Maybe gonna see them. And now for encourage the donors and where they donate, where they make this sacrifice, they made them not say their money they go for good hands. So now the video this for the weapons them. Now the weapons and these that arrive 14 with enough bullets them. All they go straight for inside the Atlantic State. And I want to take God for thank all the people the way they support the resistance for abroad in particular and for Ground Zero. Make gonna continue and for thank all the people the way they for inside TTOF where they renew them, it be 100% successful. They never fail. Those money then be very, I know if you just tell now how important it be for our freedom. So I will play the video for our General Supreme, General Efang, how the soldier, the way they be go for the mission for inside Beme, they don't come back and they celebrate with our General, our Supreme Commander, General Efang. So now this with the picking them, they celebrate the victory they don't go get them for inside Beme, they don't come back.
You are not the Supreme will begin them. You are not Supreme will begin them. Ajoli, Ekwese Baba, Baba,
La République run left ball. La République run left ball for Issa Mbeme. When I see the soldier them be in good spirit. So we don't get boys and for instance Beme, they go be trained, they go be armed, we go back.
Under the control of the Supreme General of the ADF. No be easy. That's the Supreme General of the ADF, the Supreme of ADF. I'm not doing the event for. This is part of the soldier and then from the battalion and it will not be easy. Now this is so they are not be all. They are not money for the soldier here they are around the Supreme. They are they got the day. Okay, now so they do the scenes and so it will not be easy. It will not be easy.
We'll be very, very proud for our leadership of Ground Zero and their operation, the way they carry them on. Ambazonian the need for understand say for wage a guerrilla warfare, na a very, very strategic war. No be just a matter for be on every single place, but now for be able to deploy troops them surgically for carry out such operation that like the one we did for instance Beme will not be ever publish any news about them. Like we talk, the revolution shall not be televised. We congratulate General Efang and the Ambazonian Defense Forces for the wonderful job where they did do them and their operation, the way they carry them out, and the preparation for even bigger operation, the way they go inside the. We want to thank all those way that they make sure some of the operation that they happen, the way they put their hand deep inside their pocket, we're gonna continue for put on trust in we will deliver the result we gonna expect them from we. So we'll be very happy and we'll encourage Presido and all those people where they be there for instance Beme, they not be able to move that La Republic their barracks so they for they will not move them. Make them be happy and make them collaborate for ground for be together with we. There is also the issue of a document where they don't issue some people that don't release a document for claims that they don't create a revolutionary council. When I remember me when I was an activist, just a mere activist, I began fight for the creation of a revolutionary council so much and it not be ever happen. And now the time then that will be see the battle with a lot of things, but this time we'll get infiltration comes them and a lot of things them, but we'll see focus also for collaboration, we'll get collaboration. The press secretary Mr. Lucas Asu, he go to deliver the disclaimer from the governing council in a little while. So after this program, he go come on for sure now. I go take una down, but before we go for that leak audio, I go first of all want take una for inside dub. Una remember after they kidnap, after they catch the phone of Nso and the phone of Saw for inside road for instance Saw, I will give warning for those soldiers them. Say the people they wait in there for diaspora, they push them in and go arrest the phone of Saw. Not be people who didn't like them at all. Those people they don't like them. The people they set them up, me like Republic of Cameroon, they come back for can ambush them. We don't see today we get very, very bad images the way they come for Ground Zero, where La Republic they don't key some of those soldiers them. For inside they might bring up those images them. We don't see the ranky to Commander Thunder for instance Dobde for instance Kitunja, and this was predictable. When I remember I began explaining for when I say those soldiers they go be at risk after the Rango carry out an operation where it already be it makes sense for arrest the phone where they come back after that repents. Oops. I'm having some technical difficulties to get that image on my screen. There is the image. I think I'll not know. There's no need to put up the image. The image of these guys who were killed there. It never even been long time we don't get the image also from the soldier where then they kill him for inside Ngoki Tunja Day where they invite you for day. Now the images then this will get them. I don't want to show the dead bodies, but I'll show the guns them. So these are the guns for the soldier the way they kill them for inside Baba 1 for day where the Republican kill them. And we believe saying an inside job. Before these two soldiers, them Commander Thunder and the second in command, the one die, would already first get the very sad news where then key Commander Gentle Devil, where they be invited from Ngoki Tunja. Me can get a meeting for day with General No Pity. Then where Gentle Devil he go for day. They isolated, then those levy became confused why they invited for day. He come on one go down for inside 3 corners for day. The ambush La Republic ambush for day then kill General Gentle Devil. And we'll be done explain and say these things that always happen. We don't see the same phenomenon. It go over and over. We don't warn them already, and we don't see how they don't come this time. They don't can key General Commander Thunder with the second in command. I think the pictures and be in circulation already. We don't warn the Ambazonian forces for Ground Zero. Say me them be careful when they work with people where they don't receive money for La Republic du Cameroon, because they use them for do this type of action. Later on, they go come back for can hide their crime. They go come back and kill the same soldier them. We don't see the same thing that repeat itself. So I go decide to talk a little bit about this phenomenon where it happen. But I not go want take now this same issue for instance Ndonga Mantung and Baba 1, because I don't get a challenge from the general for day. I go decide for leave them. I go talk about which way it happened for a combat area there for inside Atlantic State, and a very good example where they show now how La Republique du Cameroon they use Ambazonian fighters them for cause chaos, for punish community them and villages the way they support those same soldiers them. For inside Kome, which way it happen? I say Ambazonians them where they under this the IG of Sako with na infiltrators them where they work with La Republique du Cameroon. Which way these people, these infiltrators, they don't do na say they don't isolate forces them across our national territory into so-called county by county. They need to work in collaboration with other forces them. They be isolated, and it'll be easy for La Republique du Cameroon to locate them and even for identify them and to neutralize them in those villages them. So which way La Republique then they do across our national territory, where it can be facilitated by the system where they can be put in place by these infiltrators, these traitors them. Now say they come kill the leaders them for this group, the leader them for the soldier them for this group, they captain them. They need to see kill now all the soldier them. They kill only the head them, then replace the soldier, the commander them with one the way they work with La Republique. Either one way they be done catch them, transform them, or one the way they be done be na informant them before this struggle is start. They go put them now for day. Use that same soldier them. They go back for those same communities for punish the people the way they be support those groups them. So any family where they be get chop for Amber Boys them. Any businessman where be even struggle give na 10,000 for support them. They go send that same boy them. They come back for they can beat you very well. So tell the people of that community they go say better. We not fight now for we or na against we. No, if na so we go better call La Republique me they can help we. Then La Republique go come for that place now like hero them. For can kill that same boy them. Because so long as you don't carry gun, they go still come back and kill you. Make no force for Ground Zero, no fall for these people the way they tell they say they don't have a local government area, when I walk all over our country people them. Look the one the way they don't kill them for inside this Baba 1. The boy the way they go food them, me they can make audio for begin challenge me. They never first talk about their death, they never call their family. I don't call Baba 1 now for talk for the people them for the burial place for those two soldiers the way they don't kill them Commander Thunder. I asked those boys and say the Chris Anu they don't call now. They say no. The Sako they don't call now. They say no. They sit on they still ask me money. The other guy where he did for they call na lamin Mr. Laming wey talk say na he be the coordinator. I am the coordinator of the restoration forces in the local government area of Ngokitunja. There is no ADF in Ngokitunja. Have that man done call una? No. Either even call the woman for that soldier the way they don't die. Now so we go move money for our pocket, go cry that die day. So if these people they not love una, they need to care for una. Even if not be safe for even send money, forget the courtesy for even talk with the family. If they no fit do am, why una they still follow them? Now because of the that foolish now which kind thing that na balok that it pain my heart every time a soldier die. It pain my heart. It pain my heart so much. Those boys they don't stand for do a noble thing. Me man no misuse them. Me man no misuse them. So if una there for inside any village, in any community for Ambazonia, where the soldier they be the work for the fine, out of a sudden, the soldier they just change their conduct. Them gonna be very suspicious. They start becoming tortured. The same people who they be supposed to protect una. Una try to contact me, make we investigate because we need to protect these people them before any bad thing happen. We no go wait now when they start begin to kidnapping, the torture our people them. Influenced by La Republic before we start intervene. We need to try to be proactive. So, nothing now it happen. Inside for Ekumbe, around Ekumbe, Bonji area, I go talk about this area because nothing we don't pass. Even though it is still happen now, we try for see how to help them, help the community. Them, and a very good example for thing where they do them. They don't do the same thing for Ekona. They don't do them for Womb. They don't do them for Santa. They don't do them for Batibo. They don't do them for plenty places. Now why they insist for talk for Grandpa for Bali? Grandpa for Bali. When I see when Grandpa for Bali he pikin and go, then go catch that woman where he be the searcher for La Republic, then beat them for on black tar. Grandpa for Bali go punish that soldier them. Now for sure I say be clean. But he still work with this Amber guy. Then when I see last time they complain say they never give him money for buy any bullet. They can't talk say they be raised over $200,000. These people them they need enough for this struggle. Their job now for make sure full now money say money day. They may gonna come, they can misuse una, turn una against una community. But Grandpa be punish those soldiers then now for sure na say the people the soldiers they be clean, they know very well their responsibility to their community. They know they will fight against the population, even when the population they don't deal with La Republic. They know they can keep people anyhow. Now either way, most of this atrocity them, like the one for inside where they keep comfort. Now La Republic du Cameroon, their job, now their influence, they always be behind those atrocities then. Because our own people, the way they defend their community, where they take the risk to put their life on the line, they no fit go back begin commit that same atrocity them without a foreign interference or without manipulation for the people the way they record and say, when I go attack UN, when I go key ADF, when I go key the one, when I go key the one, when I go key the one, without any justification. We must be justified for we for ADF. Why would one send person me go arrest person will talk for public? Because we know so they do not the right thing for the right reason. So I go for a small Ekombe for explain on our way to where it happened. For instance, small Ekombe day around Barumbi area, around Barumbi area for inside day. Barumbi camp, it be na the biggest camp for inside that small Ekombe. The camp be run by General Sam. Late General Sam will be down fall to glory. May his soul rest in peace. His sacrifice will not be in vain. General Sam be down set up that group. At one point, General Sam be get over 700 fighter them. General Sam na a group where they began put them for the sword of Ambazonia. It be the fight for them very, very well. Protect the community. Drive away La Republic. All man be the happy we. People they be sell cocoa or they do their business. They even give you small money, say feed your boy and they buy gun day. Now only that community, it no be affiliated with any group. We be the talk we like activists, but it no be affiliated with any groups. Before they can take it on, say maybe na under me the group turn into sword of Ambazonia. Wait to where La Republic du Cameroon do, I talk because General Ekeko he dey alive today. And he dey for ground. If I did lie and lie, me then can talk. Because I don't do very good investigation thoroughly. Omega 12 squad. I don't talk for Ipikin them. I don't talk for all that village people them. Go for Kuba village. I don't talk for all those people them. Since the way we pass for a long time during the time for General Ivor, all those people them now I don't gather all information so I talk exactly the truth and nothing but the truth. Make it help people that may know it to it happen for protect this inside job where La Republique do am for Kiwi use our own picking them. Commander Sam, he be been a very good commander. He be the maintain law and order. General Ekeko, when he now done been the general for inside the AMF. AMF, even when they hear me, when I go check sense, when I go check this where they talk am. General Ekeko, he be been a strong thief man before the struggle one start, just like Nambere, and many of the people the La Republique don't use them. He be the work with gendarmes them before the struggle one start like an informant. Ekeko be been a man, they can't thief cocoa for people them. Whole people they go for go sell cocoa. Seize money for their skin. He been a strong thief man way, they be the already use like an informant. So now there's people in that way, criteria of people the way they use them for kill our soldiers for day. Ekeko na person we be den of Indian, but they be one for use for inside small Barumbi area day for all those areas for Barumbi go for how do they call that this Ekome area, this small Ekome area day for Kuba village, all those areas the way General Sam be the controller. La Republique we say Ambazonia and the population be there behind the boys them. So the one ready punish. They are fight not be only against Amba boy, but against the population. They are will for fight and for ask independence. So they already punish that population for inside Barumbi, inside Small Ekombe. So what did they do now? Say they want to can replace General Sam with Ekeko. So they can't give General Ekeko weapon them. He call then he struggle for meet up General Sam. Sam no be the ever one for meet up it. So they make an ambush, then catch some of General Sam and picking them. They seize gun them. They call General Sam. Around I get all the old of them. I know release those things them because of the sensitive things them. Then call he say General Sam must come for Ekeko he come. He must come for Ekeko he come. Ekeko be fear for go there because people they thought they want to assassinate you the way Ekeko did. People they not trust it. That man they say the war with La Republique. Now the suspicion that. So General Sam no be go, and even talk plenty people, some of them even never just for so they fit testify with the talker. If the suspect, so he no go for day. If you know say they want kill it, he deny for good day. He say if na so when I take una gun them, when I don't release na my picking them, they can't release the picking them. They don't struggle all the way for take out General Sam. They can't last fully. Na Ekeko can last cause General Sam the last day where they want kill it. Say me go for some quarter head. Town crier, a house, for go investigate some crime for day. Now, the day we General Ekeko come out for day, General Sam come out go for day for that house. The same like how when I see that the call General, I say go for this place, go for this place. When I be remember that they call General Arake, go home meeting for here, go take oath for here, go for this side, for isolate them, move them for their picking them before they neutralize them. I said they be do General Sam come out go for that place. Now, they then go catch it. Kili sute through acid. Ask and say how La Republique du Cameroon their forces they be waiting for day. The same thing way it happen now today for Baba One. How La Republique du Cameroon they be wait General Slow Devil from Gokitunja. This Commander Thunder. I go advise all their picking them, make them be careful. The replacement of these leaders them because when they kill them, they bring the one way good day for day. Guess what to be happen after them bring Ekeko from Dian, he can take over for the key General Sam. He come now, they can begin to say no, na he be the biggest general now with General Sam dan die, na he supposed to take over the forces them for inside Baron BD, for inside Small Ekombe. He take over that forces them. What do you start for do for day? They start key any soldier where you need to take order for them. They start key them. When all the soldiers they don't come under General Ekeko. La Republique no ever attack again Ekome. Una go ask me. Mbale. From the day General Sam died till today, La Republique never ever attack Sumo Ekombe. They never ever attack Barumbi area. All those area them. General Ekeko the gay weapon the people they need to know side come out. The same highway, the same thing will happen for inside Talede with General General then kill for inside Lebia Lemde. General, how do you call you again? The general would rose classic for inside Lebialem. Ayeke. The same trend. It start for they start send those boys and then go back for all man wey be the cocoa farmer wey be the support those fighter them. They go start kidnap them for ransom. Begin beat them mercilessly. Anything that they beat you. Because now La Republic, it is send this same boy them. They the one use them for punish this same community where they be the support the Ambazonian struggle. They use them for punish this same community. So we need for wise up. Every time when Ambazonia they can kidnap our picking them. They can torture our people them in an unreasonable manner. Sudden change in conduct. Make una go investigate, una go see La Republique du Cameroon their hand for inside. Una go see the change of commander their hand for inside. Una be see the one of Santa, how would I expose them? Una don't know how they dey. Now say La Republique they do am because ultimately the 1 million population they suffer sute they go talk say we prefer for call La Republique. They go call La Republique, they go come to that place, can kill those soldiers, then they go start run. That same soldier they go run because they know say after that they go still kill them. When I ask them say who say a kiko day now? Who say they sometimes they run go for inside far inside forest because they know say what go happen for them. But usually they get their own undercover officer the way when they talk say they come now the system go who kill them for day. When I ask them say now how they do isolate general the late general for General Chacha. How they be do isolating before they want kill you? How they be do isolate General Amigo? Why did they always isolate them before they kill them? How they do for this General Thunder, Commander Thunder for inside Baba 1 where they do come up for arrest the phone? How they do kill them? How they do isolate them? How they do isolate them? It cannot be done from outside. Now the enemy within. The so-called county by county where they don't talk in a country group. Me all countryman come for day so that the military people go enter for day. Now say that they use them for kill our people. So before General Someone die, he be talk hard and call me come for this, so know everything what he talk. So I just talk. Oh now when I did for that AMF, would help na help. We know talk say no ADF to no figure problem. But a words to a wise is sufficient. We must work hand in hand for learn from the past errors, for put measures in place, for make them impossible for the enemy for work within us. And they talk for all foot soldier them. Say if una commander send una go kidnap person, run. Come up for that group. Any man way, any soldier way do kidnapping for ransom, he go beat man in mommy, he go rape another woman, you are worse than a black leg. If they say a black leg is more dangerous than 10 armored car, then you that kidnap for ransom, you are worse than a black leg. That means you are even your punishment should be worse than a black leg, because your action will transform the whole community against the revolution, which is a very bad thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, I go take una for release the tape. They want an interview where the La Republique du Cameroon, the agent, where Naidi Waka bribe people they meet and join join La Republique for spoil our struggle. When I know you already, Mr. Belinga Ongola, Naidis, na picture that. Naid na Mr. Pobia Ikombi. His brother or na cousin, he be na the Ebuto, we be the one with Mr. Pobia, na he be involved. Surprise, surprise, these things are not hidden. They are out there in the public. I'll play the audio. This audio in an interview where you know the phone I said the people they already feel so stupid because they call we for bribe we. Imagine say that one bribe we, the one they talk say Pobia and keep 1 billion. 1 billion for bribe Ambazonia them. Me then give up the struggle. Take for example, if you translate that 1 billion for people they talk so for take the money and then use them sponsor struggle. Now that money na chicken change. We need to understand the value of where to go get them and how insulting even be La Republique even feel say they can bribe we only for 1 billion. Not be so if you ever take bribe in the first place. But now for sure now how stupid these people take we for be. Sometimes we talk say other people them for north na mutong. Sometimes those other people then na the ancestors they turn laugh we because I don't talk with one of my friends and we'll get a very good conversation. He talk how we Pobia become for Boya It make speech, he talk say, I was born a Cameroonian, I shall live a Cameroonian, and I shall die a Cameroonian. People for Boya, they clap hand. Una they clap weti. Nkasan people they be the laugh una that time they talk say una be mumu. Because they know say when Pobia they talk say Cameroon, na a means for colonize una, and una therefore they see clap. So sometimes we feel say we laugh people they say they're stupid, but the people that they instead on the laugh we so must be wiser. We must be wise. We must be wise. So this man they call me for bribe me. He give interview them for inside their FM radio stations there for inside Yaoundé, Douala. They participate for debate with the so-called Anglophones because they're the one they know so will not get time for who lazy, will not go, they know where to go on. But this man is not actually keeping secret. He's telling Francophones all what they are doing to us. The bribery and the corruption they are telling them. I think there are episodes on TV. They tell people they say they bribe. But they don't say Ambazonian, they need to take anything seriously. Even after a published story. Anyway, I play this video. I play an audio recording of an interview granted by the Belinga William Ongolo. They don't wipe out. I don't go for search a link account that be deleted. The website for the organization that be deleted. They don't wipe out all history for media. But I get screenshot that I already collect some of them. In Facebook, they don't delete them. Delete everything. But when I see the impact, how the Canadian consulate don't come out, it try for begin savage way to way to go on. And for tell when I say people that don't compromise, when I ask myself, how many Ambazonian activists then publish that story? How many? But worry not. The revolution shall not be televised. The few ones and we God down give una, they will continue for stand there for talk the truth, and the truth shall never be popular. It shall never be popular, even until we go for Boya. But una go be wise enough for stand for people the way they stand up for una, and then be more effective for help una for attain our goal of independence. So I will put on the video, the audio, in Egyptian language. I go try for translate them because I be don't go for foreign education for inside La Republic for Nchang. I go try for explain them for Nchang for English, pidgin English, make una understand which way it talk for the interview. For this interview, una go hear very very well the various measures them and the various calculation way La Republic that already do them for bring Ambazonia under them. I get the message from our technical department. Make a check the message. Okay. So this one are the interview granted
Pour la crise anglophone et la suite des horreurs qu'on enregistre au quotidien, des enfants assassinés dans des écoles, alors qu'à la rentrée, beaucoup de groupes appelaient les enfants à retourner à l'école.
So this interview, now the person this way, it work directly with the presidency because they get that three way the way they bribe our people them. You get the one the way they bribe by the prime minister office. Bribery and corruption, they promise people then career, all those one they come up for the prime minister office. That one Abobala they work with them, all those so-called Anglophones, politicians, they work now for that with that one from Diangote. You get the other one with the Cameroon Intelligence Services, led by a core. Now SSF the guide do that one. Now I see sometimes their measures that they clash, sometimes they work in synchronology. But the boss will handle all these things that concerning Ambazonia, now the chief of staff for the presidency SSF. So this boy they actually work now directly with the chief of staff of the presidency. So he work directly with the source. Now he be meet up Sako them for bribe them for Europe and for represent the Cameroon government. The organization they as an equivalent, they create them as an equivalent of the HD. So why the HD it handle the Ambazonian side, now he handle the presidency for La République du Cameroon, their own side for this negotiation. So now here, this is interview. The interview it give una a lot of information including why Sako the worker attacked students them. He gave everything. He told everything. But then feel say our be so stupid we will not go get time for listen them or not get measure them for. They don't know say the ADF then get sense pass king. We get an intelligent unit where they work 24 hours. We are far more than social media. We have far richer, we have far bigger organization, far more than what you see on social media. So this is a very good job to our intelligence unit where they don't bring up this interview where he actually did tell the francophone them what did actually happen, the truth. So he is saying the truth here. Listen.
C'était en novembre dernier, en octobre dernier, et parmi ceux qui négocient en sourdine pour qu'on obtienne une solution pacifique finalement à cette crise, il y a le Centre de prévention des conflits en Afrique centrale et australe. Sa réaction après ce drame, l'avenir de l'école dans ces régions et les conditions pour aboutir finalement à un cessez-le-feu. Nous sommes donc avec Willy Belinga Angola, c'est le président du conseil d'administration du Centre de prévention des conflits en Afrique centrale et australe sur Canal 24 pour en parler. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Merci d'être venu.
Merci de votre invitation. Bonjour à tous les Camerounais, à tous les Africains qui nous regardent aujourd'hui. Merci pour le thème que vous avez choisi pour édifier les Camerounais par rapport aux conflits dans les régions du Nord.
So they basically welcome me
Quand vous avez vu ces
since they
images
talk
du 24 octobre,
for Egyptian
Le
language.
24 octobre, il était midi qu'on m'a fait part du massacre dans Akumba. On a eu une réunion au premier ministère pour trouver des solutions.
It talks say after then kill the Pekin of Okumba, then get La Republic, then get an emergency meeting for the Prime Minister office where ye be there for that meeting. Ma continue for play Amegona here.
On m'a fait part du massacre dans Akumba. On a eu une réunion au premier ministère pour trouver des solutions
Exactement.
à la crise dans ces deux régions. Et déjà, ce que je peux relever, c'est mes condoléances à des familles éprouvées qui ont perdu leurs enfants. Bon rétablissement à ceux qui sont blessés, qui sont hospitalisés dans les centres hospitaliers.
So when I listen very well, now get a lot of information.
Je les
Things
appelle
will-
des Camerounais qui ont porté des armes.
So things we knew already a lot of this stuff, but to have this guy actually telling everything on an interview, he's speaking to a francophone audience, and the thing we are so we will not have all this thing. It's so surprising, you know. And after he talk all this thing, he go call us again and they talk for back like so. No where to go on. They receive it like so being a mumu them. They don't know say mumu they laugh, ndiba they kill you. So I'm not sure I'll have time to play all this audio. I'm very sorry to disappoint you because it's 3:30 a.m. in Hong Kong time and I have to go to work. I will have to wake up very early, about 6 o'clock to go to work. But I'll play the beginning of it so that you can at least have an idea of what is going on.
Qui doivent revenir, comme nous avons discuté, comme nous avons lancé des pourparlers, qui déposent les armes, qui puissent comprendre que la paix n'a pas de prix. Et la paix, c'est la plus grande des choses que le Seigneur Jésus-Christ, en partant, qui nous a laissé. On croit qu'un jour, qui viendra nous demander ce que nous avons fait de cette paix.
You can hear he's a very nice guy, a Christian guy, but they are not talking about justice. They are not talking about justice. They are talking about peace. And like the Pope, you know, who can be holier than the Pope? Pope John Paul II have said that the worst hypocrites are people who talk about peace without talking about justice.
Et aux autorités de revenir, parce que nous avons lancé les pourparlers, comme vous avez dit, pour la rentrée scolaire 2020-2021. Il y avait, je vous dis toujours qu'il y a 3 groupes. Il y avait 2 groupes qui ont été sceptiques, qui ont même refusé la rentrée. On a essayé de les convaincre. Ils nous ont donné les 2 conditions, qui étaient de ne pas faire lever le drapeau du Cameroun, de ne
So, it tell una what did happen. He said the Ambazonian struggle be divided into 3 groups. The group of Sako, the group of Seseko, and the group of Ayaba, representing the Ambazonian Governing Council, the IG Care, and the Splinter IG group. So, There you go. He go explain for now exactly what happened. The condition, the way the ADF, the governing council, the Vigiam, for about school coming, he go talk and all. The one for Siseko, their own conversation, he go talk and all. The people where they meet up Siseko, where they talk for Siseko on behalf of the government, they go talk and all. The church where they work for he go talk everything. And he go tell you even why Sako and Chris Anu, they kill people for ground zero. Why? He go talk and all. Talk about the money where they don't pay them. He go talk them all. Whatever do you want again? He go talk them all. So for all man who wanna be fee say this Sako, they never take money for La Republic. My country people, them not thief people. They don't bribe them. Then they for them now for go produce, for go sell Ambazonia. All the blood way the flow for ground zero, it don't mean anything for them. Then be willing for walk over the blood of General Ivo. Then be willing for kill General Arke. Then be willing for kill General Efang. Then be willing for kill our people them. Adam on top the one way like the Republican kill them. For take money. The money where they don't raise them. They don't chop and all. They can't lie our people them. Pay some of them. Say they group them for La Republic. Soldier them never granted work and show other soldier them. Forget their own money where they don't promise them. At the end of the day, when I see Kawa Yanik, it don't show when I say La Republic is not people you can trust. Even when there is show on money, there is no money behind that money. There is no value behind that money. Now on a head go carry and go. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the tip of the iceberg. Come back tomorrow for more. The first audio already, it done chakara all their plan. Una know, we then have no conny. We hope, we speak truth into power, hope power to account, torpedo all the enemy activities, rendering them useless. We then expose the trick, the hands behind the Swiss stock and the Canadian government. It then finally crack, it then blink, for can't talk the truth, say their whole sponsoring of that project, now with the mindset, say it will bring back Cameroon, and have a safe Cameroon so that we then continue to take our petroleum and our CDC. And they then give Mr. Pobia $10 million for the project. So for inside that $10 million, then go move $8 million for day. Then one can bribe with Ambazonia and then $2 million. Wonder shall never end. One, I think, economist, Ambazonia economist for Canada, the assessment of our economy puts Ambazonia economy to about $4 trillion. That's a very, very good amount of money. So even if like probably one bribe, we may then give you that $4 trillion more give them the country. With $4 trillion, every citizen of Ambazonia will have not less than $200 million. You'll be rich like Michael Jackson, like R. Kelly, like Beyonce. Every Ambazonian should be rich like that. If they want to bribe us, let them bring us $2 million per person. Nyamfuka them all. So now the thing is where it happen. But the good thing I say, there are people who are not compromised. There are people who cannot receive money, who will not receive money, who value human freedom and who are here to fight for the people. And we are those people. We are the selfless individuals fighting for you on a volunteering basis. Our joy and our only hope is for freedom to our fellow kingsmen, that they may live in the land of their home. They may be able to speak and protest and participate freely in their economic activities. We are fighting for the street Ambazonians who have no way to survive. We are fighting. Hello. Now they call me now, so. Hello? So we are fighting for the Ambazonians who have been left on the street. For the Sofa Pikin. Where they go work na cassava. Where they go born na charcoal. Where they go work na the CDC. For the mami them. Where they 60 years, 80 years old. They still go work farm for take care for their grand pikin them and their grand great grand pikin them. For the boy them where they na Sansan boy them. Where they work Sansan. Even forget enough money for married woman. You know they dick am len grombip. Unless them go sell their soul. With the La Republic, according to Titus Edouard, They even sodomize Ambazonians them, like Diongote, for submit them, for begin work for this their evil regime for Yaoundé. We fight for the man on the street, for get the access for their God-given right and empowerment, financial empowerment, to access the finances of Sonera, to access the science and technology, to have the loans available to them to develop their country, to be able to govern their country, to be able to live in dignity and in freedom. As Nelson Mandela be taught, to take away one's freedom is to deny one's humanity. We are humans, we are people. We have to fight for our right until we accept, we attain full dignity, full rights under the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights. We will not compromise on our humanity. We will not compromise on our rights. The Canadian scheme worked out with the Swiss and the French will never be accepted. They are asking us to give up something we cannot give up. We must fight for our sovereignty. A sovereign country cannot disappear. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the show. I'll have to give time so that the ACNC, they can cut it because it's showing live on Ground Zero, and before we can drop. So the audio, the remaining part of the audio we play tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. I think we have a meeting tomorrow. We'll play the audio on Friday. On Thursday, because we have a meeting tomorrow. We'll play it on Thursday, and you hear for yourself what is going on. So, thank you very much. May God bless you. Continue to support the struggle. Hold the four foundation of our struggle, the pillars of our revolution. Our independence is inevitable. La République du Cameroon, there be no say this day go come. There be no say this day go come. They done prepare for a long time, and this day done finally come. We salute all our foot soldiers. We salute General Efang. We salute General Ebube, Capo, No Mercy, and all of our soldiers, Commander Small Pikin. We salute Una all. And our forces them for instance Lebialem. I go bring I want name the name of the general for Lebialem. I don't talk me the declassify name. So that I put we need to put name because we don't get total control of Lebialem as well. And I want to congratulate our soldiers the way they come up from the fighting for Nambeme, for Atlantic State, for the great job where they done do. May God bless you now all. I hope so the technical team will be ready for me for drop. So okay. The technical team never talk anything, but I'll have to drop. So see you guys. God bless you all. Keep us in prayer. Keep our people in prayer. This is a very important war for us to have our freedom. It's very important. This war is an answered prayer. May God bless you all. We have come to the end of the show because the team have not yet given us the go ahead to close it. I will just end with this music, which is from Boom, My Own Village. Why they
Sanglia